Was the Bible edited to control the masses? What if the Bible, the most influential book in human history, isn't the pure Word of God, but a carefully edited document designed to manipulate and control humanity? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could change how you see the Bible forever. The Bible wasn't written all at once. It's a compilation of texts written by different authors over centuries. In its earliest form, it was made up of books passed down orally, and then written in Hebrew, Greek, and Aramaic. But here's the thing, the Bible as we know it today didn't exist until the 4th century, when church leaders decided which texts to include and which to exclude. This happened during the Council of Nicaea in 325 AD, under the watchful eye of Emperor Constantine. At the Council of Nicaea, church leaders debated which texts would form the official Bible. Some texts, like the Gospel of Thomas, the Gospel of Mary Magdalene, and the Book of Enoch were excluded because they didn't fit the church's narrative. These books often contained messages of self-empowerment, suggesting that individuals didn't need priests or churches to connect with God. Why were these texts left out? Was it about preserving the faith or controlling the masses? Constantine's empire was in turmoil, and he saw Christianity as a way to unify his people. By standardizing the Bible and creating a single narrative, he ensured that the church became a powerful tool for governance. But this came at a cost. The Bible's original diversity of thought was replaced with a singular, controlled doctrine. Could this mean that parts of the Bible were deliberately altered or omitted to serve political interests? So here's the question: if key parts of the Bible were edited or removed to fit an agenda, can we truly trust it as the unaltered Word of God? Or has it been used throughout history as a tool of control? Let me know what you think. Is this just a conspiracy theory, or is there some truth to it? Let's discuss.